How to change color correction in the Filmora app. So let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app just like this. After opening the app, make sure you have added the video that you want to edit, just like this. Now to change the color correction, tap on to the video timeline track, just right here. Then scroll to your right, just at the toolbar. Now here you can find the adjust option. Now select it. Here you can find the adjust toolbars, just right here. Now to change the color correction, choose on one of these tools, just like this. Then adjust it by sliding the slider to your left or right, just like this. And now you can see the color is now changed. Then tap onto the check mark. And now you can see the color of this video has been changed. And that's it. This is how you can change the color correction in the Filmora app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.